We went live April 14th, so it has only been 2 weeks since my launch, and I will tell you guys, I have made a total of $200 these past 2 weeks of passive income just launching my digital products and services. And hey y'all, what's up, and welcome to another video of As Always Aleia, where we always keep it real. So I realized that I have not dedicated a video to my new website launch. If you guys don't know, I launched my website and it is for people who want to advance in curly hairstyles without using any heat. If you are somebody who is tired of doing wash and goes and twist outs and is ready to advance to the next level, then I am definitely your girl. My name is Aleia and I specialize in hair rods and rollers. They're an advanced hairstyle that you can do to get curly hair. However, there are techniques and tips and tricks that you kind of need to know to get through this hairstyle with ease. If you have ever tried to do perm rods or flexi rods before and failed, it's probably because your technique wasn't correct or wasn't all the way where it needed to be. That's where I come in and I help people who need that. I'll be taking out my hair and will also be taking a deep dive into my website and explaining all my products and services so you can find out which is the right one for you. So if you click on the link in my Instagram or on my TikTok, you'll be able to access it. It's right here. It's a stand store, and I also have it linked in the description as well. But look at it. It's so cute, y'all, and there's so much on there that you can do. I have free guides, I have paid stuff, like anything and everything that you can think of is on my website. Okay, so before we begin taking out my hair, I am going to just put some oil on. I'm using the multi-hair oil. This prevents breakage and adds sheen, and it's For You by Tia. You can kind of see I've been using it. I don't really like her styling products too much because they're lightweight, but I do like her refresh spray, and I also like her oil. But she has like other products that I wasn't really a fan of. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and open this up, and you can see that's how it looks. I'm gonna put some on my hand, and then we can get started with taking down my hair. So I'm just gonna lather that up really quickly. And I'm actually prepping my hair for a style that I will be doing in the next video, so you guys will definitely want to stay tuned around for that. But let's go ahead and get started. The very first thing that you'll see on my website when you open it is my rods and rollers ebook. Y'all, this has been such a long time coming. I started my ebook in October of 2022, and I didn't release it until April of 2023. And that's because I had a lot of self-doubt. There were other things that were happening as well where I wasn't really being so successful. So I just wasn't mentally prepared to like try another obstacle and fail. So I literally did not have the like mental strength to get through something else. So that's why I put off my ebook for a few months. But like I said, in April, I finally put my foot down. I said I can do it, and I launched it. It's called How to Achieve the Perfect Rod or Roller Set All Week Long with Minimum Maintenance. And I show you guys the best time-saving tips and techniques to get through rods and rollers. It's for people who are ready to just advance in their hair and want to learn new techniques on how to do these heatless hairstyles. Sometimes people have never heard of these styles before, so they're very intrigued. In the ebook, I break down how to measure your hair for the perfect rod or roller. So if you want to do flexi rods, I tell you how big or how small the flexi rod should be. If you want to do a roller set, I will tell you how small or how big the roller needs to be for your specific hair, and that's all in my ebook. I also talk about how to install each of the rollers. So spoolies, flexi rods, perm rods, magic hair rollers, there's so much out there, flex grip rollers. I give you guys my best tips and techniques on installation. I also go over how to properly dry your hair while it's in a roller set, because I know a lot of people have problems where they're taking out their hair and it's still not dry. So I talk about in my ebook how to properly dry your hair, and I also go over how to sleep in a rod or roller set if that's something that you need to do. I kind of give you guys tips on the best ways to sleep as well. And then I also follow up on my ebook on how to take down the hairstyle properly. I also talk about how to maintain the hairstyle throughout the week, and just best time-saving tips that you need to be doing to make sure that your curls last. So if that's something that you might be interested in, again, if you're somebody who's just so sick and tired of the regular braid outs, twist outs, and wash and goes, and you just are ready for something different, then definitely download my ebook. I will have it linked below for you guys in the description so you can check it out. It's all about hair rods and rollers and taking your hairstyles to the next level using zero heat. We don't need to use any heat at all for any of the styles that I'm talking talking about. Okay, so hopefully I'm not like talking too fast or overwhelming you guys with a lot of information, because it is a lot when it comes to how to properly maintain and take care of your hair. So that's the first thing that you guys will see on my website is my ebook. It's super affordable. Anybody can go and download it. It will be a digital download for you guys. I am trying to upload it on Amazon, so if you guys want to order hardback covers or softback covers, you can do so. I'm just struggling with trying to upload it right now. I don't want to talk about it. So the next thing that I have to offer on my website is live virtual training sessions. And let me tell you a little bit more about what that means. So my live virtual training sessions are for people who really want one-on-one assistance, and my YouTube videos are just not cutting it for you. You still are confused. You are trying to do the hairstyle. You think you got it down, but there's something that you're not doing correctly when you're doing your hair, and you just need a little bit of extra help. That's where I come in. I always recommend that you sign up for a one-on-one live virtual training session with me. It will be a 2-hour session, or up to 2 hours. We can use as much or as little time as you need to. We'll hop on a Zoom call or a video chat together, and you get to pick your hairstyle. If you want to do Flexi Rods, if you want to do flex grip rollers, if you want to do spoolies, if you want to do, trying to think of something else, if you want to do jumbo Flexi Rods, if you want to do Perm Rods, whatever the case may be, you tell me what hairstyle you are trying to accomplish. You can pick out your hairstyle that you want, and then we pick a date that we can sit down, and you will be doing your hair with me on a video chat, and I will be guiding you through the hairstyle. And throughout the session, it's very fun. It's conversational. You get to ask me anything you want about your natural hair as we continue to talk and style your hair together, and I will show you the proper way to install your curly hairstyle. So that's the live virtual training session. It's a 2-hour session. We will hop on a Zoom call or a video chat, and we'll chat it up about your hair, and I will guide you through the hairstyle to where you will have perfect curly hair. So if that's something that you're interested in, definitely check out my website, schedule me or book me for a live virtual training session, and we will get your curls right, friend. I got you. Alright, now that I'm moving on to this side, I'll separate this when I'm done. It's not really separated right now or nothing. I just took it out. It's still like wet a little bit, especially like all in the back here. It's not wet, but it's like 80% dry. I guess that's good. I don't know. All right, so let me go in with a little bit more oil because I want to take down my next braid. People laugh at me when I call these dookie braids. Aren't they called dookie braids? Cornrows, dookie braids, what do you guys call these? Comment below. I also have available on my website one-on-one curly calls, and all that means is that we'll sit down on a video call for about 20 to 30 minutes together, and you can ask me anything you want about your hair. If it pertains to rods or rollers, or if it's something different where your hair may not be growing as fast as you like, your hair is breaking off, your hair is really dry, you've been trying different things and it's not working, you're just kind of stuck within your natural hair journey, you feel like your hair's at a plateau, it's like, hey, it's been like 2 years and I'm not seeing any growth, definitely sign up for a one-on-one curly call with me. I have seen tremendous growth, y'all, over these past few years with my hair, and it's because I really try to take care of it right. As you guys know, I'm a YouTuber and an influencer, so I show you guys different ways that I take care of my hair. The number one thing that I always recommend first, if you are serious about growing and repairing the hair, is you might need to stop using, not even might, you need to stop using heat on your hair, because heat is a chemical and chemicals will kill our hair. Any type of chemical that we put on our hair, it's going to kill it over time or excessively. Now, I do put heat on my hair, like I straighten my hair, but only like once or twice a year. Heat is okay, excessive heat is not okay. So if that's one of the things that you're struggling with, if you're struggling with just trying to transition, if you have two different curl patterns in your hair, like if your hair is all straight at the ends and curly at the top where the new growth is and you just don't know what to do with it, definitely book a one-on-one curly call with me. I got you. I literally been there, done that, cried the tears, went through all the pain, so you don't have to. If you are struggling with your hair and you just need some advice, book a one-on-one curly call with me and I will guide you through whatever your problems are to the best of my ability. Now, I am not perfect, y'all. I did not go to cosmetology school. I don't know the educational route, I guess you can say, of it, but I have hands-on experience, and sometimes hands-on experience is a lot better than reading from a book. And in most cases, when you go to cosmetology school and you learn about hair, I heard that they don't even teach you about black hair or like natural hair. Like, I don't know. So maybe it changed by now, but I saw that on TikTok that this girl went to cosmetology school and she was a black lady and they did not teach her about black hair. So that's another thing. All right, y'all. It's all taken out. So yes, if you are having any problems whatsoever with your hair, please book a one-on-one curly call with me. I'm here to help. And again, I will have everything in the description below where you can kind of go on there and see what services may be best for you. All right, let's keep moving. All right, so I also have a personalized video response on my website that you can go ahead and get if you need it to. The personalized video response is, let's just say for instance, you're doing your hair, literally just how I'm doing my hair right now, and say something doesn't look right, something's not right, or you're confused about something. All you have to do is whip out your phone, take a video of what the problem is, and send me your video response through the link on my website. I'll get your video and I will reply with a video as well on how to help you overcome that problem, whatever it may be. If you're taking your hair out and it's not coming out right, if you are trying to put your hair in a rod or roller and your technique isn't there all the way, whatever the case may be, you can always just whip out your phone, literally take a video of it and be like, Aleia, I don't know what I'm doing wrong. I followed your steps. This is what it's looking like. Can you please advise? Can you help me? Like, my hair is not turning out right. Like, anything you want to do, I will reply with a video and give you guys my best expertise and advice that I can, and hopefully that can somehow fix the problem. If not, you can always book a one-on-one curly call with me or a live virtual training session if you need to. But sometimes people just need like a quick pick me up, or hey, like, did I do this right? Can you look at this? And like, just send me a quick video and I will reply back with a video as well. So that is the personalized video response. Literally anything and everything you need. Take a video, send it to me, and tell me if you're doing it correctly, if you're doing it wrong, or if you just need some guidance. I got you, friend. I got you. So not only do I offer paid products and services, but I also do have free digital downloads as well. One of the digital downloads that I have available is my free roller guide, and it goes over the top things that you may be doing wrong when it comes to rods and rollers and how to fix it. So I definitely recommend that you guys want to go in and get that free roller guide. You will also automatically be signed up for my email list as well once you download the free roller guide. So that's pretty much it, y'all. I literally have my ebook, I have the live virtual training sessions, I have a one-on-one curly call, I have the personalized video response, and I have a free roller guide on my website. If you continue to scroll down, there will be my Amazon store, because I am an Amazon influencer, and I also have other affiliate links that you can click on and check out as well, and those are geared more towards the bottom of the page. So that is about it, y'all. So I took out my hair. This is like, there's probably like a line just like going back right now, because like I said, I'm going to prep my hair for another style, and that will be for the next video. But I did just want to come on here really quickly and let you guys know that I am so grateful for all of you. I think I have almost 26,000 followers on YouTube, and you guys like literally started in 2020. Here we are in 2023. Thank you to all 26,000 of you watching this, or hopefully watching this. I really love what I do. Natural hair is my passion. I'm here for you guys. I know that there's a lot of problems with our natural hair as far as how to maintain it, how to overcome dryness or stiffness. There's a lot. There's dandruff. There's a lot that comes with our natural hair, and I just want to let you guys know that I am here to help you. Whatever the case may be, if it's rods or rollers or not, I am here to help you. I really want to see more black women rock their natural curls, and I know that we're still in a time, and it's okay if you wear wigs, weaves, whatever, but I just want to get to a point in life where women can confidently walk around with the hair that grows out of their head confidently, and I'm here to teach you how to do that. So definitely check out the links below so you can access my website, and if you guys have any questions whatsoever, you can email me. It's at asalwaysaaleia@gmail.com. I'm always here to help you guys at whatever the case may be. And yeah, y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and get ready for the next video, because I will be prepping my hair for another style. This is cute though. Okay, a little braid out action. Oh, we did was take the dookie braids out, friend. We looking good. But that's it, y'all. I just wanted to talk to you guys about my digital products and services that I have available now on my website. We went live April 14th, so it has only been 2 weeks since my launch, and I will tell you guys, I have made a total of $200 these past 2 weeks of passive income just launching my digital products and services. And thank you to all the people that went on there and made purchases. I just really hope that you guys continue to do so. I'm very passionate about this, and it takes a lot of time to curate a website and customize it just for the natural hair community and the curly hair community. So hopefully you guys like it and continue to support me. There will be more digital products and services launching in the future, because I know right now I'm very heavily based in the heat-free hairstyles using rods and rollers, and maybe that might not be for you, and I want to make sure that I have something on my website for everyone. So down the line, I'll definitely be launching more ebooks and more, you know, training sessions for those who may not need to use rods or rollers. Their problem may be something else. It's just all about getting to know your audience and your viewers and your fans and see what their needs and wants are and try to adjust your website to that. So that's where I will be doing. That's what I'll be doing. I just needed to start somewhere, so I started with something that I'm really passionate about, which is rods and rollers. That's literally what saved my hair when I was transitioning and I had straight ends and curly hair up top. I just put perm rods in, and it literally just blended my hair, my new growth and my dead ends. It blended it together perfectly, and I want to teach other people how to do that as well. I know that I'm rambling, but I'm just so passionate and so happy that I finally put myself out there, and I really hope that I continue to grow. So if you guys hear me talking about my website a lot, I'm sorry, but I have to keep talking about it. It's called marketing, so people hear about it. There will always be somebody new watching you, and that's the mindset that you have to have when you're recording these videos. There's somebody new that has never seen your face before, so you have to tell them who you are and what you do. All right, y'all, that's it. I'm getting tired. I'm out of here. Please check out my website and all of my digital products and services that are curated just for you. My name is Aleia. This is, as always, Aleia, where we always keep it real. I'll catch you in the next one. Deuces.